maybe when you find out about plastics and the things that's happening to the human body because it's fucking with our endocrine system and it's shrinking people's genitals and shrinking people's taints and it's lowering testosterone levels and causing more miscarriages, If you were watching this play out, if you were not connected to us, and if you were like from another planet and you're like, what is this thing doing? Oh, so this is a very complicated animal, and this animal gets involved in various plastics and metals, and it has a symbiotic relationship with plastics and metals, where the plastics and metals, it gives them cars and handbags and television sets, but it also robs them of their primal essence and slowly turns them into these genderless, weird creatures that can only survive by replicating through their DNA.
Dude, well said, bro.
Because if you were looking at it from somewhere else and you were looking at, well, what are we addicted to? We're addicted to electronics and we're addicted to plastic.
Yeah.
We use plastic for everything.
And we're willing to sacrifice something for it.
Dude, I was reading this whole thing about petroleum in the healthcare industry and like health and wellness and like oils and shit, like how much petroleum is used in all this. It's everywhere. It's just everywhere. It's bizarrely everywhere.
Petroleum is?
Petroleum is.
Yeah.
So you've got oil and you've got plastics and you've got all of these weird, funky phthalates and chemicals and pesticides and herbicides, and we're all aware of it. We're like, this is really a problem. This is really a problem. I'm fucking blasting the air. It's all over your food. Like, this could be a problem. Everyone's on fucking Monsanto. Like,
yeah, nobody can sleep anymore.
Glyphosate is everywhere. And everyone's like, well, we'll certainly get to the bottom of that once we make it safer for queer kids. And then it's slowly, we're going to get to a point of no return where our genetics are fucked by our environmental pollutants, which have only existed over the last couple hundred years. So our genetics get fucked by these environmental pollutants, and like giant changes in human testosterone levels just from the 1970s. Giant changes.
Oh yeah, dude.
So I think if you're on that path, and you're clearly on that path, we are as a human race, we're clearly on that path.
Fast.
And we're also at the same time on the path of artificial intelligence. It's like, how much time do we really have? How much time do we really have here?
What if this, though? What if a trans kid, how many trans people are there?